What is up, guys? Welcome to yet another DaVinci 16 video editing tutorial for beginners. In this video editing tutorial, we are going to be looking at adding texts. Let's get started with the video. Now, let's say, for example, I want to add a subscribed title, okay, or text. So come on the bottom left side of DaVinci here, and there's a place here called title. Now you just come on title here, and then you can choose any title that you want. By the way, there are some here, and then there are some also down here. Let's say I choose this text, then I just just drag it and drop it here again. If you just highlight it, drag it, and drop it here. So these are text. So how do I put something on that text? So just come here, click on it. Once you click on it, come to the top right corner of this DaVinci Resolve called Inspect here. Click on Inspect. When you click on Inspect, it opens for you this window. Now you can let's drag and drop this to see the entire window if you want, the that's here. But for my sake, I just want to say here, subscribe, for example, or maybe download. When I wanted my viewers to download something below, download this, download the sheet below, like that. So as the video is playing, it's going to show this text on the video. All right, so you can even do a lot of editing and formatting around the text. You can give it a font family, you can give it a font face, even color. Let's say you just want color. I can change this to maybe be red. Let's say it will be red. Size, you can change the size the way you want. Tracking, line spacing, everything you want to do as far as editing this text is concerned. Then once you finish with your editing, then you just come back up there. Then you can, for you to save anything that you're doing, just for people who are in Windows, just click Ctrl+S and you've saved whatever you are editing. So it's saving there what I'm editing. Okay, so now let's play this part so that we see what I have edited.
Now, if you're an online marketer, a YouTuber, or an online marketer, this video will show you online.
And there you go. So you've seen where that download sheet below, that is what I was talking about. So I've added a text there. Now you can make this text to come down. You're just going to highlight again this part called text, then come to inspect, and then we can come to position. See position Y. So when you come to position Y, I'm just going to drag that text down like that. See, just highlight that, then drag the text down. So just come to position here, come to text, come to inspect text, and then come to position here, then come to Y. You can drag it always up or down, depending on how you want it to. I'm going to drag it up somewhere there. As simple as that, and you've added a text on your video. Now, so you've already learned how to add another video, the B-roll on your video. You've learned how to add a text on your video, and you can even change the font and the color. Thank you so much, guys, for watching that video. And if you want to learn more about DaVinci Resolve, including introduction, uploading videos, images, and other B-rolls, the edit section, adding other videos, adding texts, adding images, dynamic zoom, and how to highlight an area, and how to render deliver your video, then I have included links to these in the description below. Once again, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. And if there's anything you think I have left and you want to know, kindly comment below, and I'll surely make a video on that as well. Adios, amigos. I'm out.